guys, it's me, Leo, and today we are... Wait guys, do you hear that sound? Wait guys, seriously, do you hear that sound? Wait, what? Wait. I really felt something right here. What? Oh my god. I know you guys can't hear it, but I need to explain. Wait, I cannot even explain it now. I'll explain it anyways. Okay, let's go. Agar actually sneaked in my house, and somehow he's setting up a booby trap for me. But I don't think if it's like anything or what. And off camera, I actually received a note that says, go to your grandpa's room. This is actually my grandpa's spare room. My grandpa's room is right here. So, wait. What's this? He likes cars like a bunch of times. Like in his notes, if you flip the back, it always says cars. I swear it wasn't me. I swear it wasn't me. I didn't set this gummy here. And this one, eat one. I swear, guys. So guys, should I eat one? Should I eat one of these gummy bears? Should I? I don't know. Hey guys, like this video if you want me to eat one. I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. You liked it? So I'm gonna eat it. Let's eat it. Don't try this at home if you have like some serial killer breaking in your house and it set up like some candy traps. So let's eat this. I don't think I should eat this. It might be poison. Should I, guys? I seriously don't know. Don't know, guys. I don't know. Oh god. Just because of my safety, I'm gonna stay up here just in case I got poisoned. Watching you guys. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1.